Alright, today we're back at the condo and it is demo day. We got the tools all ready to go. We're going to take out this wall, see how it looks. A couple days ago, the window guys came, took a look at it, and they're looking at $535 to replace just the window panes. To replace the whole window, it'd be probably a couple $1,000s, so we're gonna try just the panes for now. Looks like the rest of the window we can clean up, paint, make it look nice. So yeah, we're gonna take down this wall. Only big issue we might have or concern is you got the outlet right there. So that wire should be running down there along the bottom of the wall. So then we have these switches right here, and they should just be going to where they're originally at on the wall there. So not too much wires there. So yeah, hopefully in a short time we can see what this place looks like without this wall here. What do you think, Ava? Looks weird. Why?
Look all the names.
Yeah, well, we're gonna have to take those off. That's gonna be a little bit more work because they are nailed in pretty good. Okay. I think we're gonna do that next time, but it opens it up a lot, huh? All right, day 3 of demo. I say day 3, but we've only been really spending about an hour at a time doing this demo. Would like to commit more time, but been a little busy. Our goal for this whole renovation project is we're trying to get this ready for spring break, so we got about 2.5 more months to go. I think we can do it. One thing I'm trying to figure out is this electrical. Came through the wall there to an outlet there, and then it went up, followed the ceiling, I think down to this outlet, and then it went back, and then through that hole right there. I'm guessing to the fan, not sure. Oh, we'll check it out. But today I'm going to try out some new toys. Got this at a Black Friday deal. 4-in-1 combo set. 1/2-inch drill driver, impact driver, and a reciprocating saw. That's what I wanted. And it comes with a flashlight and 2 batteries. So there's a saw. We'll try that out. Alright, demo is done. Well, mostly. The room is open now. Got a lot of space. Still need to find out where this electrical goes. I think it goes now to that light right there. Yeah, we don't know what to do with this space. It's pretty awkward. We can either demo the rest of this stuff out and have it open, or we could put something there, maybe beach gear or something. Still have to run the cable out to the other wall where we put the TV. I don't know. Either way, it'll be alright, I guess. That shelf is kind of a little bit slanted though. Awkward. Maybe we'll just demo it. I don't know. Guys, help us out. Tell us what you think. Still don't know if we're going to do a king or a queen size bed. That's how wide a king is. And I'll go a couple feet farther out. Then we have all this space here. We'd like to put a couple more seats in here so you just don't have the bed to sit on. I don't know. Still trying to figure it out. let's demo. There's all the stuff and the trash.